Okay, so we're starting out on page 16 at step 16. The boiler portion you will already have completed, and so at this point is where you're going to get the epoxy, and we are going to seal the flaps. And it shows us on the guide that really we're not trying to seal down the metal all the way to itself, but we're making sure that we close up these flaps so that it's airtight. So your epoxy will probably not be opened at this point, but you can just poke through with a toothpick. And you don't need a lot of this, about just equal parts. And then using a toothpick to mix it up. Obviously try to avoid getting this onto yourself or onto anything else that you don't want sealed. And you can either use a toothpick, or if you have a nail, or if you have a piece of the can left over, you can use that as well. Try to make sure we don't get it all the way up onto the straws at this point, because we're going to still want to remove those. But I'm just going to go ahead here and fill in where I have those flaps. If it does seal down to the boiler, that's fine too. But the big thing is I'm trying to seal this gap so that it becomes airtight.